Do you want to know how to make money with Logie? Everybody does. This is a method that was taught to me by my friend David. First of all, there's a link down in the bottom. If you're not a member of Logie already, there's a free Logie link. Sign up to Logie for free. And this is how we make money with Logie, okay? Logie is the tool you can't live without if you're an Amazon influencer or an Amazon associate. What is Logie? Logie is a website. Logie is an extension. Logie is a tool. Logie is a Facebook group. Logie is a mastermind. Logie is a movement. Logie is something you can't live without if you make money with Amazon, okay? That's just my 2 cents. There'll be a link down the bottom to join Logie for free. Use my code, okay? Now, how do you make money with Logie? Logie gives you an extra percentage of a commission off when you sell their products to the brands that they promote, the brands that joined Logie, okay? So like for these brands over here, these products over here, you're going to get an extra 20% on top of your Amazon commissions, okay? So the trick here is to go to your category. What's your category? You're going to go to your category, and whatever it is, you're going to look around, and let's just say it's patio. I don't know. All right. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to look and see if these are worth doing videos on. So you're going to go to Amazon. Well, all right, winner, chicken dinner. Amazon choice, right off the bat, we know we're in a good spot. Now, over here on the upper carousel, it's only got 5 videos. So you can get the product, do a video, and still have a chance to rank in here. Now, this is a product that I've gotten. So it's got 1 video from the brand, 1, 2, 3, 4 videos from influencers, and then it's got a custom review video as well, okay? So this is a good product to do, to get the product and do a video on, okay? And make some money. Now, this is a product that I've done videos for, all right? Now, let me go over to Logie. So this product, the cocktail smoker, I got, actually they sent it to me for free. They matched me up and sent it to me to free to review. I made a couple of videos, posted some on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and I made 6 sales in a matter of 2 weeks, 30% extra commissions. So for 6 sales, got 30% commissions, $232 extra in Logie commissions just from promoting this product on top of the Amazon commissions. Okay, on top of my Amazon commissions. All right, here's my YouTube channel, and let me go down to where is it? Get ready to ignite. Okay, so it has 1,300 views. Okay, so it made me 6 sales this video. Okay, and this video is a couple of seconds long. Okay, that's just me using the product quickly with a little editing, a little zoom in action. You can see the smoke coming in slow motion. Cap it on there. There you go. Perfect. Made 6 sales, extra commissions on Logie. Okay. And that's how you make money with Logie. You find yourself a product that has an upper video carousel with less than 6 videos in it. You get the product at half price from Logie, and you promote the product on your social media. Drive traffic to Amazon, and you're going to make extra commissions with Logie for not doing anything extra. Same stuff. You're doing the same exact stuff. Like and subscribe to the channel. Join Logie. The link's down in the bottom. This is just one of the ways to make money with Logie. Logie's crazy. You got to watch all my other videos to know more about Logie. It's just so vast of a tool. Analytics, reporting, content creation, everything. It's everything. Got to get Logie.